Welcome back. So it's that time of month again. Actually, a little earlier this time for Rookie Card Explosion Box, Volume 13. So hopefully this is lucky number 13 because last month we got absolutely smoked in our box, which is really, that was the luck of the draw, which happens. It's all about the luck of what you pull in the packs. I did watch kind of the preview video of what's included this month, and I'm very excited to see if we can pull any of the fantastic rookies that we have a chance to. Let's review the packs. So this month we have 85 Topps, 93 Score, 2010 Topps Chrome, 15 Topps Update, 17 Bowman, 17 Topps Series 1, 17 Topps Update, 18 Topps Heritage High Number, that's the one retail pack, 18 Topps Update makes a return, very happy to see that, 19 Chrome, 19 Topps Heritage Minor League, and 19 Series 2. So obviously some big rookies that we can pull out of here. And I will reference this sheet as we go through. And we're just going to basically go in the order that they were packed in the box. Starting off, we have 85 Topps. Just McGuire, Clemens, Puckett, and the first regular set, Doc Gooden. Now, those of you old enough who remember in '98 how much these packs went for. Nice busted up stick of gum. Let's see what we get. And that is just the wrong USA card we want. John Marzano. That doesn't bode well for the rest of the pack. Don Sutton. Gary Green. 2 USA cards, neither one do we want. There's a nice Mike Schmidt. Nick Hauser, completely miscut. All right, so 2 cards in there. I guess we're Sutton and a really nice Mike Schmidt. Schmidt looks like almost overexposed. All right. Now, next up, we have 93 Score. And you're just looking for one card in this one, and that's the Jeter rookie. Eldred, Rojas, Andy Van Slyke Dream Team, wrong draft pick card, Armorall, Lee Smith, Rock Reigns, Eck, and Ventura. All right. No Jeter in that one. All right, now we have 2010 Topps Chrome. Looking for Stanton, Strasburg, Donaldson, and Carlos Santana. There's also autos of each one of them. Now they use like some of the older Chrome packs. They are bowed. That is common for these older Chrome packs. Well, Carlos Santana rookie right off the bat. Wilson Ramos, also his rookie. Mark Burley, refractor. And Brad Hopp, blast from the past. All right, so 2 good rookies out of that. Actually, Ramos should have been on the list, but it was not. Put those aside. So nice pack there. So a 15 update. You're looking for Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Gallo, Buxton, Syndergaard, Rosario, Urshela, Peterson, and Pham. So Jumbo, Cal McAllister. Chris Bryant, All-Star rookie. Okay. Mike Leake. Nice Tom Seaver card. Nice Molina foil. Pat Venditti. This is the switch, the ambidextrous pitcher, so I'm going to put him aside just because it's interesting. Campos and Cunningham. All right, so it wasn't too bad on that one. Now we have 17 Bowman. So looking for Acuna, Senzel, Gurriel. And then then there's a bunch of autos, first autos. But the main ones we're looking for are Acuna, Senzel, and Gurriel. So Cano, Scherzer, King Felix, McCutchen, Andrew Suarez, Alex Reyes, Eric Fetty, Cole Stewart, Alcantara, and Coonrod. There's nothing in there. And now we revisit our friend 2017 Series 1. Looking for Bregman, Judge, Benintendi, Moncada, Bell, Swanson, Glasnow, Gurriel, and Dahl. And of course, a short print would be quite nice. Soto, Brooks Robinson. And Allen. Smoked on that one again. All right, 17 update. Bellinger, Chapman, Voit, Judge, Bregman, Moncada, Benintendi, Castillo, DeYoung, and Hader. And of course, image variations are quite nice. Not the rookie we're looking for. Should double check what number. So 17. Josh Reddick insert. Nice Ichiro. Stakis, Betts, Andrew Miller, and a buyback of 88 tops. Alrighty then. So 18 Heritage high number. Okay. So we're looking for Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, Meadows. Looking for action variations and autos as well. Cotto, Beckham, Suarez, Montero, J. Bruce. There's the Ohtani. 175. That's just a base Ohtani, but that is one of the cards we're looking for. There's got to be one of these that's I don't know if that was a short print or not. So J. Bruce is a short print. All right, good old faithful 18 update. So obviously they're looking for Acuna, Soto, Torres, Ohtani, Meadows. Oh, a few others in here too. All right, Altuve, Skaggs, Votto. I don't believe my luck is going to be in this pack. Bregman, Beltre, Lee, Carnes, Ramos. All right, no luck with that one. All right, now we have 19 Chrome, Vlad Jr., Tatis Jr., Alonso, Eloy, among others. So no specialness in here. I'll put the refractor aside. Nothing there. All right. 19 Topps Heritage Minor League. So Wander Franco, Robert, Alvarez, Julio Rodriguez, Joey Bart, Kelnick, and short prints, variations, autos, yada yada yada. Gorman, Victor, Sixto. All right. Last shot, looking for the short print of Vlad Jr. And also looking for base and parallels of Alonso, Tatis, and Eloy. Dale Murphy short print. I'll take it. Sean Reed Foley. Bregman. And that is all we got. So, I mean, we could have done a lot worse, to be honest. And I know I messed up all the piles as I was going through here, which happens. As I was putting all the scrubs over there, but I just got down to business. So I guess the main hits were the Ohtani rookie. That was just a fun hit. Home Run Derby Chris Bryant rookie. Wilson Ramos and Carlos Santana rookies. Did get some interesting inserts as well. Burley refractor. Nice Dale Murphy short print. No, the legend variation out of Series 2. Victor Mesa. 88 buybacks, a score there. Nice Yachty foil, Tom Seaver. And then I guess the nice card, at least for me to pull, because I like pulling older sharp cards, which this one again is really dark for whatever reason. This is Mike Schmidt 85. Centering's off, top to bottom. Left to right's pretty good actually. Top to bottom it's off, and it's just a heck of a dark card. But so that's the results for me. Better than last month, but that's also not saying much. That's the results for my box, my rookie card explosion box, volume 13 by Philmington. Again, this is one of the 2 subscription boxes I recommend getting every month. Out of all the boxes I've opened, this, while the results, again, they're better, they still weren't great, but the pack value is solid in this box. And that's really how I personally judge subscription boxes. You got to have the value in the actual packs themselves to justify getting it every single month. And this definitely meets that criteria for me. So, hope you enjoyed. And please remember to collect what you enjoy what you collect. Don't let anybody, especially the market or a YouTuber, dictate that to you. Most importantly, have fun. Whether it's making videos, watching and commenting, going to live streams, group chats, going to your local card shop or card show, or simply talking about the hobby with family and friends. Find your way of being an active part of this community, both online and offline, because that's really the best way to enjoy this hobby and to have fun with this hobby, because it is a great deal of fun, and it's a great community, great people, incredibly supportive, and something that you really don't want to miss out on. So once again, thank you for joining me. I hope to see you again. Have a good one, and bye for now.